This is the smallest full-frame lens Nikon has ever made. But is it actually good or just convenient? This is the Nikon 26mm f2.8 pancake lens. It's designed to be as compact as possible, almost turning your camera into something pocketable. But today, we're not talking about size only. We're testing image quality, sharpness, vignetting, and real-world usability. The first thing you notice is the size. This lens is incredibly thin and lightweight. Here it is next to 35mm 1.2 lens. Significant difference. Mounted on a body like the Nikon Z5 Mark II, it completely changes how the camera feels. Build quality is decent, combination of plastic and metal, but solid enough. The focus ring is minimal and there are no extra controls. Autofocus is driven by a stepping motor. It makes some sound, so it's not meant for video creators. Here are some autofocus performance tests. There's no aperture ring, no stabilization in the lens, so you rely on in-body stabilization. Minimum focusing distance is decent for everyday shooting. At f2.8 the center is reasonably sharp, the edges fall a little bit behind, but the overall contrast is low. Stopping down to f4 improves overall sharpness a bit, but the contrast is still a bit lower. By f5.6 to f8 the overall optical performance becomes consistent all over the frame. Wide open, vignetting is visible. As usual, it improves as you stop down. There's almost none of geometrical distortion. Slight chromatic aberration may appear in high contrast scenes. Longitudinal chromatic aberrations are minimal, but can appear in high contrast autofocus areas. In real-world use, this lens shines because of its size. It is perfect for street photography, travel, and everyday shooting. It makes the camera feel less intrusive, more like a compact camera. Let's talk about the pros. Extremely compact, lightweight, great for everyday carry. What about the cons? Not the sharpest wide open, noticeable vignetting, limited features, and motor noise during the focusing. This certainly is not Nikon's best lens, but it might be one of the most practical ones. If you value portability over perfection, this lens makes a lot of sense. So, have you used this lens? What are your opinions? Are you planning to buy it or rent it to try it out yourself? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you'd like to see more content like this, consider subscribing and supporting the channel. Until the next time, bye bye.